I am, babe.
That chicken moved for a second.
Alright, what's good, YouTube? We back, baby. Alright, now we on the road. We on our way to Chicago, so it's my first road trip in the Scat Pack. We got about 2 hours left, like 100-some miles left, but other than that, we're just about there, man. We just about there. It's doing pretty good on gas. Not too bad. Took about making sure it's still on, but about 20 miles to the gallon. I could probably get better than that, but I'm just trying to get there. Because basically, I didn't explain it yet to y'all, but I'm trying to, not even trying to. I'm getting my kill switch installed on my Scat Pack, so I will be doing that in Chicago, which is the reason why I'm going. But anyway, trip info so far: 21.3 miles per gallon, 21.1. And that's with a little bit on the gas, a little bit too. Range 142 miles before empty. We cutting a little close, but I think it's 125 miles before we get to Chicago. I feel like it's cricket still, but anyway, yeah, man. I had to pause the music, you know, no copyright over here, baby. No copyright over here. I did run into a lot of car guys on the way here. Corvettes, another Scat Pack Shaker like mine, but his was white. Funny thing is, he had flicked me off too because I was going the speed limit. I also had my cruise control on. But other than that, it's all gravy, man. Loving the car so far, man. It is very fun. Very fun. Very fast too, bro. I mean, I could barely press on the gas and I already be at 100. Shit, you know, if I fully depress it, I'm gonna be touching 180 for sure. This mug got a lot of get up and go. A lot of get up and go. Yep, appointment is supposed to be at 2 p.m. They said we're supposed to be arriving at 2:25, so I will be 25 minutes late. I'm gonna try to decrease that and be less than that. Hopefully just at exactly at 2 or close to it. Truck all on my bumper. Oh yeah, and I love the stock exhaust. I can't even hold you. It's quiet, and then when you step on it, get loud. I mean, bro, that's perfect. I mean, it's perfect, low key. Man, it's just perfect. I can't say nothing else about it, bro. It's just perfect. I can't lie. And it got the pops and everything. It's just fire, bro. It's a fire ass car. So far the trip is pretty cool too though. It's not too bad. Not bad. Just a light little press. We already at 100. Oh yeah, and a previous owner, well, was only one owner before me with this car. His top speed on here is I think it's 135. So a video coming soon when I surpass that 135. Gotta break the car in right, man. Can't have his top speed on here. Yeah, 135. Yeah, I can see that. It's my car now. I'm gonna be the last owner, so we're gonna beat that. But other than that, this is a huge upgrade compared to my Genesis. Everything I want, horsepower. It's mod friendly. I can mod it, do shit to it, change it up. You know, put some long tubes on here if I want to, Borla, exhaust, you know, anything. So shit, it's endless with this car. Not too sure what I'm gonna do with it yet. I'm probably gonna just, you know, get some floor mats and stuff like that first. Well, it came with floor mats, but I want the weatherized rubber floor mats. I want to keep the carpet ones clean. You know, I'm about to say dirty. I want to keep them clean. I mean, there's my Passenger princess over there, sleeping like a baby bear. Oh yeah, and I am driving in normal mode, and I got the comfort. I wasn't even going that crazy. It was only a little bit. Just wait until I get back in the city, y'all. I'll give y'all some better content on it. Some more pools and shit like that. I'm also gonna upload some more exhaust clips of the car with the stock exhaust. It's probably gonna be I don't know how long. It's gonna be a while before I end up changing it though, because man, it's just that good, bro. This is the best part about traveling though. You always see all these cars, bro. There was a Z011LE that just passed by on the opposite side of the highway. Man, you be seeing everything. C8 Z06. I mean, everybody be traveling, bro. It's cool to see, honestly. Plenty of content right here. And we got a little Mustang, older Mustang trying to catch up. Convertible. I was driving in cruise control, but the traffic has picked up, bro. I ain't gonna hold you. It has definitely picked up. What the hell is that? Oh, she got a little heart. I thought her car was you know, some flames or something down there, some little sparks. All right, we getting closer, man. We almost there, bro. 116 miles left. So after these little 98 miles, bro, we definitely gonna be halfway there, man. I think there could be a little Mustang GT back there. I think so. An older Mustang GT. Look like it. Look like it might be. Ooh. Hey man, ever since I got this car, bro, I've been seeing a crap ton of challenges, bro. I've been seeing them a lot more, man. There you go. He's trying to overtake me now. Here he come. Just keep fucking with him. He's still coming. That thing, he must think I have like an RT or something, bro. Well, I do have an RT technically, RT Scat Pack, but you know, not technically. Hatch Society. So yeah, we have about 14 miles to E by the time we get there. Sheesh. Actually, we might be able to make it a decent amount of time. It's like 2:02. 2 hours and 2 minutes is what they're estimating time-wise. They still thinking my arrival time is gonna be 2:25 though, so that didn't go down. We're gonna try to beat that though. So I'm trying to be somewhat on time. So get the kill switch installed. We probably gonna go around, get some food and stuff like that. Enjoy Chicago a little bit. Then we're gonna head on back home. And you know, we're gonna get back to the regular scheduled program. But with my baby, my new baby. El Paso, Chenoa, El Paso, or some people say El Paso. I think it's El Paso. El Paso or El Paso? I think El Paso sounds better. That sounds more correct. El Paso, or it could be El Paso. I don't know. Let me know if I'm right.